Good evening students, this is your Picture. Welcome to online classes. Today we are discussing about the Roman system. What is a Roman system? Roman system is one of the system which is used to represent a number. Let us start our class now. Okay, so today class is the Roman system. Okay, so let us we see here now Roman system. Why we called as Roman system? Why? Because the system is found by Romans. That's why it is called as Roman system. In Roman system, we are using seven symbols. What are the seven symbols? What? One B X L C D M. What different one? B 5 X 10 L 50 C 100 D 500 and M 1000. Likewise, when we write the Roman system, we use seven symbols. Afterwards, when we write any number system, we should know about the rules. Okay, why? Because concept is the power. You should understand the concept properly. Okay, so first rule, SS means smallest symbol. Smallest symbol is the right side of the biggest symbol. Here you should remember SS means smallest symbol, BS means biggest symbol. So smallest symbol is right side of the biggest symbol, then the result is addition. We do what now? Addition. Let us see one example. Okay, see, this is 5, this is 1. So smallest symbol is the right side of the biggest symbol, so we do addition. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. And next rule, Sima, smallest symbol is left side of the biggest symbol, then the result is subtraction. So that's why 1b, if there one is left side of the biggest symbol, so that's why we do subtraction. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Okay, next Sima, third rule, repetition of any number. It means when we write the Roman system, if any symbol is or any number or any symbol. Okay, any symbol is repeated again and again, then we do what now? Addition. Okay, likewise, if x, likewise x repeated again and again, so that's why we do what ma? Addition. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. Okay, next, fourth one, any symbol is used only 3 times except the symbol VLD. Next point I am going to discuss that one. So any symbol is used only 3 times only. Okay, so let us see one example. Let's see. He repeated 4 times. So this way of representation is wrong. Any symbol is used only 3 times only. Okay. X. Likewise, used any symbol only not more than 3 times. Only used 3 times only. Okay. These are the four rules. Let us discuss some more rules now. Now we are completed 4 rules now. Okay. Next we will discuss about the 5th rule. The symbol BLD are never repeated and never subtracted. These 2 points you should remember. Okay. So the symbol BLD are never repeated and never subtracted. Let us see one example here. Okay. Now V1. Like this you write. So V is repeated 2 times. So this way of representation is wrong. LX. This way of representation also wrong. Why? Because L repeat only one time. Okay. D and L. D repeated how many times? So 2 times. So that's why this type of representation also wrong. So BLD used only one time only. You should remember that one. Okay. Afterwards, it is never subtracted from any number. It means don't mention like this. Okay, so V is never subtracted. But also L also never subtracted. and D also never separate from any symbol. So B, L, D are never repeated and never separate. You should remember that one. Okay. Afterwards, sixth point. Okay. One is subtracted only from. Remember, the symbol 1 is subtracted only from B and X only. B and X only. You should remember. 1 is subtracted only from B and X only. Let us see one example here. Okay, so 1 is subtracted from B. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. At the same way, 1 is subtracted from 10 only. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, these are the two possibilities subtraction of 1 from B and 10 only. Okay, next, seventh one. I am already told you BLD are never repeated and never subtracted. BLD are never repeated and never subtracted, and remaining what? X. So X is subtracted only from nothing X after 2 digits. What are the 2 digits here? LC. So L comma C. L and C. So X is subtracted only from L and C. Let us see one example. Okay, so X is subtracted from L only. So 50 minus 10 equal to 40. At the same way, X is separated from C. So 100 minus 10 equal to 90. Okay, and the last point we have here, that is 8th point. Next remaining X, remaining C. C is subtracted only from these numbers. Okay, so C is subtracted only from okay, C after biggest number dm. So D comma M. You should remember this. The C is subtracted only from D comma M. Okay. Let us see some examples. What are the examples? C subtracted from D. It means 500 minus 100 equal to 400. This is one example. Another example okay, C M. It means 1000 minus 100 equal to 900. Okay, these are the all rules when we remember when we write the Roman system. Okay, some remarks are there, ma. What are the remarks? Remarks nothing but difficulties. Okay, so this system is not possible to write biggest numbers. Not possible to write biggest numbers. So the system is not easy to write the biggest numbers. Okay, and also 0 is not used in the system. 0 is not used in the system. Okay, these 2 points you should remember. And one more point is that in somewhere they represent like this: B bar. Somebody write bar also. What is the representation of bar? You multiply it with 1000. This means 5000. Okay. If you give bar above the symbol, you should remember you multiply with 1000. Okay. I hope you will understand the Roman system. What is the rules of Roman system? Okay. You practice so many problems. Okay. It is very easy to you to understand the Roman system. I hope you will understand again. Let us see you meet in next class. All the best. Thank you.